Good morning, everybody. Thank you for this opportunity, and it is really exciting to make this connection from South Africa. I am just briefly going to report to you on the results of our project so far in terms of the leadership component, which is titled Leadership for Transformative Learning and Interdependence. And the purpose of this project is first to do some research to determine the relevant competencies that is required for transformational and shared leadership in our context, in the context of health teams. And for that purpose, we approached it in a qualitative way, and we interviewed our leadership in the faculty, but also members from the whole faculty, from the level of a resident and the equivalent in the allied health sciences up to faculty management. In the process, we generated 1,000 pages of transcriptions, and I've just completed the analysis of that. And briefly, the findings are that an understanding of leadership was highlighted by a definition that emerged, and although I have not compiled a definition from that yet, two quotes that highlight the definition of leadership from the interviews is that of, I see that a diversity, opportunities, doing things differently, which creates a much more vibrant, diverse teaching environment where we develop leadership and interact with communities and interact with people. And then an opinion that we should have a strong philosophy for change and leading beyond, but we are not doing that. And that leadership is not a positional appointment, but that anybody can be a leader. And there was a strong feeling that there should be training, and the purpose of the training is for people to understand leadership, to understand teamwork, and then of course to become better leaders. And a set of attributes that we identified are related to enabling the environment, a strong value system, building relationships, the ability to create meaning, being strategic thinkers, and being able to communicate. And when you look at the literature about leadership, aspects of the various types of leadership that has been published, all were present in the data. Now, some leadership strategies that emerged Thank you. Some leadership strategies that emerged, you can see on the screen in front of you at the moment, and I highlighted two in red because those are the ones that came across particularly strong. People really believe that an inclusive, collaborative, and interdependent strategy is crucial in terms of health teams and in terms of health professions education. And they also feel that a strategy where you need role models and mentoring to become a leader, but also to be aware of the fact that as a role model and a mentor, you have a responsibility to develop leaders. As always, there are many challenges, and one of the challenges is the challenge of interdependence, to be collaborative and inclusive, and also the resistance to change that we always experience. Then there's always capacity, environment and context, and then importantly again role models, and here negative role models specifically. As far as training needs, there was a need for formal programs, but much more importantly is the need for role models and specifically for a structured mentorship program. Thank you.